Hello, my name is Ivan Awache and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, kindly do so below. Today, I'll take you through 2 new features in SciSpace that enables you to pull your entire workflow to one place, from uploading papers into a private library and then having an AI agent work on it directly, and also editing your Word document live inside the same agent. Yeah, so first you upload the papers into your library. You can upload directly from your local storage or import folders direct from your Zotero. So as you can see, this is the library section, and at the moment there is no folder. So let's add some folders. Let's name this folder ESG downgrade. Create a folder, then upload some files from local storage. Yeah. Yes. Another thing that we can also do is to import directly from Zotero. So we import folders from Zotero. Let's import this greenwashing measurement folder. Yeah, so this is the greenwashing measurement folder. It has a couple of files in it. Yeah, so by default, each file shows 2 columns. That's the title, and then this column TLDR. You can then add more columns like conclusion, methods used, limitations, findings. And as you add these columns, the AI agent automatically gives a brief version of these stuff, like the conclusion, the methods used, limitation. It gives you points for you to have a general understanding of each file. Yeah, so you can see the conclusion column, the methods column, limitations column, the findings column. That's the AI agent at work. Another thing that you can also do is to add a custom column. Let's just name this custom column quantitative method. And then we hit on create. So we've added a custom button called quantitative method. The AI will also do the work on it. Now the beauty is you can then select specific files and point the agent just to those ones. So let's select a couple of files and run some command on it. Yeah, so I'll ask the AI agent to extract key insights. From the selected papers. Yeah, so you can see this, the AI executing the plan. Yeah, I thought the user wants to extract key insight from the selected paper. There's the AI agent at work. As you can see, school loaded for research. Reading the selected files. I thought the user has selected paper. So this is the agent working, and then it walks you through the process. So at any point in time, you know what the AI is doing. You can see selected paper from the ESG downgrade / ratings. That filtered the relevant records, read the files. And now it is extracting the key insights. That's brilliant. You can also opt to view the activity here, but we are probably not interested in all these codes. We are more interested in the final output. Brilliant. So it is extracting the key insight. Yeah, it has analyzed the files, and here are the key insights. Just writing those down. Yeah. The full extracted insight methodology details are saved in the output files. Exactly. So brilliant. Here's the methodology inside. Here's the key insights. Yeah. So once it's done, the final output can then be downloaded onto your laptop or PC, whatever that you're using. You can also copy it out straight away or save it to notebook inside SciSpace itself. So yeah, we can save it to notebook. Yeah, here's the key insights. That's brilliant. And with the second feature, this is where it gets very interesting, because instead of exporting these insights into Word and starting from scratch in a separate tool, I'll put out the same output straight into SciSpace Word doc editor. So I can ask it to turn the ESG key insights paper that it's just produced into a proper research paper, and then I hit the command button. Yeah, so I'm turning it into a proper research write-up. So the word editor lives inside the agent itself. Yeah, so you can edit it, red lines happen live. There's it happening live. We're just writing the research paper. Let's take note of the current paper that we have. There's the current paper that we have. And then let's see what turns out as a proper research paper. So it's executing the plan. So you can see that now I'll create a comprehensive academic research paper synthesizing these insights. I'll structure it as a formal manuscript with all required section. So yeah, it's brilliant, the fact that it gives you step-by-step process. And yeah, it has wrote the year's research paper, so we're waiting for the final output. It says the research paper has been generated, saved to, and it is structured as follows. So abstract, introduction, a literature review, a methodology section, details of 5 studies. Great. Results and findings, discussion, conclusion, future directions. Brilliant. So I'll just load the paper. Yeah, so there's the output. Market reactions to ESG rating changes, the comprehensive synthesis of global evidence. Brilliant. So this is the abstract. It gives you a beautiful table of contents. Mind you, these are all stuff that you would probably have to do manually in your Word document. Introduction, literature review. Yeah, that's excellent. That's brilliant. Chinese market, investor type heterogeneity. I love this. So yeah, once you're happy with it, you can then download it, save it to notebook, copy it straight out or whatever. But I would want to push it further and then ask it one question. I'll ask the agent to probably create and embed a pie chart. Yeah, create and embed a pie chart showing the geographical sample of the papers used in this research. Yeah, plan being executed, thinking deep. Yeah, so the user wants to, so it's invoking an agent. Yeah, from inside I've already, I know geographical of 5 papers, Korean market, even US market, Chinese Asian market, global. Excellent. So creating the pie chart. An image has been created. That's the image. Nice one. And then replacing it inside. Yeah, there's the command. So that's the agent that they invoked. Replacing text in. Brilliant. So you can see there's the embedded pie chart. Geographical distribution. I love this. So yeah, the chart is saved, embedded in place at the start of session 3, right before the individual studies. Chart breakdown. 40%, 2020, South Korea 20%. So the final output, it gives you the year's research paper itself. and also just a picture of the pie chart, whatever that you want, if you would want to use it for a presentation at a seminar or something of that sort. So now I'll just convert the markdown file into a properly formatted Word doc file. Yeah, that's it, executing the plan. Yeah, so that's the agents as well, writing phase 2, script phase 3, and then boom, it is done now. Yeah, so it's now sitting as a doc in SciSpace S, and then it is ready for the next round of edits. And this is where the workspace, the Word doc editor really ends its place. Yeah, the agent is still attached to the document, so I can keep refining without leaving the tool. So as you can see, this is the Word document that has come out. It's no more a markdown document. This is a literature review. Yeah, so let me sharpen the research question first. So I'll just ask you to refine the research question to sharpen the research question to sharpen the empirical contribution and make the framing more specific to climate disclosure regimes. So let's invoke an agent here. Yeah, so we are watching it live with yeah, exactly, we're watching it live with invoking the agent. So reading the current title right there, and then thoughts. Now I have a clear picture of the current research question. Let me also read the future directions. Yeah, just thinking deep. Yeah, rebuilding the doc S from the refined markdown, and here is the final output, the research paper doc. So you can see we asked the agent to refine the research question and tailor it to climate disclosure regimes. So as you can see it is refining it and then tailoring it to also post TCFD, post Paris Agreement, and then ISSBS2. That's the agent at work, and it has done exactly so. Yeah, so the bottom line is you don't have to open this separately in a Word document. You can just open the Word document inside SciSpace, and these are some of the features. You can search for a specific word or a specific term, and you can also add some comments here. Yeah, and then also chat with it inside the Word doc itself. Brilliant. And you still have all the formatting tools that would otherwise be in a proper Word document. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and then ask it to tighten the introduction to suit the research questions. Then I need to the changes or not. Let it execute. Yeah, so there's the new introduction. Yeah, and then that's the loop. So you just have to draft, refine, iterate all in the document. You don't have to export, and there's no reformatting, no loss of work. Everything is on here in SciSpace. You also have some unique features like protection, where you can protect your document, encrypt it. You've got some plugins as well. Yeah, you have the Zotero plugin here, the speech inputs, thesaurus, language tool. All of these are plugins embedded in the SciSpace Word doc editing area. Yeah, so that's the loop. You have the library agent doing the heavy lifting on your papers, and the Word doc editor turning that work into a submission-ready document, all in one platform. So no need for you to be exporting, no reformatting, no tab switching. Yeah, so if you want to try it yourself, SciSpace is running their biggest back-to-school discount right now, which is 35% off the Maxi plan, and it also gives you 40,000 credits. Yeah, so genuinely the right time to explore what the platform can do is now. Link and coupon code are in the description below.